Richelon liposoluble cartridge wax. Richelon believes in innovation and keeping up with the emerging needs of your waxing essentials. In this video, we will talk about the use of Richelon cartridge wax in the most effective and efficient way. Place the Richelon cartridge in the cartridge heater and switch on the power. Wait for the wax to reach a proper liquid consistency. Check the consistency by rolling it on the wax strip. Before applying it on the skin, prep your skin for waxing using Richelon Pre-Wax Deep Cleanser to remove dust and dry skin particles. Once you determine a comfortable consistency, apply wax in the direction of the hair growth. Using a wax strip, pull the hair in the opposite direction at an angle to remove hair from the root. After waxing, apply the Richelon Post-Wax Oil for smooth and glowing skin.